Here we are at East Sacramento Auto Service, 810 57th Street. It's a nice business opportunity. It's well gated. Got 3-wire on the top. And let's walk on up. Big parking lot. Sits on almost a quarter acre. It's got a nice awning in front, protect for the rain and the sun and the elements. 2 roll-up doors, 12 by 12. Let's go in through the office here. About 140 square foot reception office area. We have 3 surface mounted lifts. 3 employees, including the owner. Got a diagnostic machine, got a dyno machine, got some smog check machines. These 2 are leased, here and here. Nice diagnostic machine here. This one's very expensive. Snap-on. Does all the bells and whistles. Computerized. Nice. Got a couple swamp coolers, one over there in this corner. And then one over here as well that works very well. So 810 57th is well located in Sacramento, East Sac neighborhood. Do not disturb the tenants. Give me a call. I'm Kary Moore, 916-869-2151. Look forward to hearing from you.